Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to import post design in Wix. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in blog page. Now you see manage post. So click on it. So we are going to use template design for our post. Now dashboard open and then you see blog overview. Scroll down. You see start a post with a template. Choose a template. You see multiple design. Also you see edit button when you hover on it. Now you see explore all template. So click on it. On left side you see post template. On right side you see view. Now you see welcome blog. So this is design. Now you see how to. Now select. Then you see product review. Ultimate guide. You see multiple review. You see multiple template. So you can select according to your requirement. Now I select this and then you see use this template, so click on it. Now you see design is added, so you can add text according to your requirement, so you can edit it according to your requirement. Now you see image, if you want you can replace image also, and then click on publish. Now post publish done, close it, also close this and then click on publish website. Now website publish done, go to website page, refresh the page. Now click on blog page. Now you see this is our blog design. Your title, what's your blog about? You don't see image here. Back to blog. Now click on it and then you see manage post, so click on it. Now dashboard open and scroll down. You see edit, so click on it. So we are going to add feature image. On left side you see settings, so click on it. Now you see feature image added. So click on publish again. Now close. Again click on publish. Now website publish done. Go to blog page and refresh the page. Now you see image is updated. So you can customize post according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.